Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godolkar. I am an assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. I was taught the subject of basic electronics. In basic electronics, we see the rectifier. The basic working of rectifier is it to convert AC voltage to the DC. Converting AC to DC is called as a rectifier. This rectifier having two types, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Firstly, we see the half wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, there are two types, full wave center tap rectifier and full wave bridge rectifier. In full wave half rectifier, what is the difference between half wave and full wave? In full half wave rectifier, we use only a one diode in half wave rectifier. How it works? In half wave rectifier, the three components are mainly used: input transformer, then diode and the output resistor across a output voltage. Firstly, one diode is used in half wave rectifier. In full wave center tap rectifier, two diodes are used in full wave center tap rectifier. After that, in full wave bridge rectifier, four diodes are used in full wave bridge rectifier. In today's lecture, we see the half wave rectifier working. I will tell you working of half wave rectifier and we see the numerical on half wave rectifier. The half wave rectifier, one diode is only used in half wave rectifier. So when the input voltage, input supply AC analog signal is given to the circuit, the in positive half cycle diode D1 is conduct, means diode D1 is on in positive half cycle, and in negative half cycle diode D does not conduct, means it is in off state. So at the negative half cycle the diode D is off, at the positive half cycle diode D is on. So the output voltage of we get at the output voltage for half wave rectifier only at positive half cycle. Now we see the half wave rectifier numerical. As shown in a slide. Firstly, we see the first example. I will read a first example. A half wave rectifier uses a 5:1 transformer and a diode with internal resistance is 50 ohm. If the primary AC voltage is 220 volt 50 Hz and load resistance RL is 500 ohm, then calculate IDC, VDC, AC output current and voltage, efficiency, PIV and ripple frequency. This is the example, one of the example of half wave rectifier we see here. Now, how it calculate it? Firstly, what is given in a question, it can put into the diagram. Firstly, what they give? The 220 volt 50 Hz supply, input supply. 220 volt as shown in a diagram. 220 volt is given to the transformer. 5:1 transformer is used and 50 Hz frequency. So at the output voltage is 220 upon 5, that is 440 voltage. 44 volt. The V is equal to IR. The output voltage on 5:1 transformer, so 220 upon 5 is equal to 44 volt we obtain. The RMS secondary voltage is equal to 44 volt. Vm by root 2 is equal to 44. Vm is equal to 44 root 2. So Vm is obtained as 66.2 volt. Im is equal to Vm upon Rf plus Rl. That is 62.2 upon 50 plus 500 is equal to 113 milliampere. Im. IDC is equal to Im by R is equal to 113 upon R is equal to 35.9 milliampere. VDC is equal to IDC into RL is equal to 35.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 500 is equal to 17.9 volt. That is a VDC. The strength of a AC current and voltage is expressed in terms of RMS value. The IRMS is equal to ripple factor into IDC. So is equal to 1.21 into 35.9 is equal to 43.4 milliampere. That is IRMS. V dash RMS is equal to ripple factor into VDC. We calculate the V dash RMS is equal to ripple factor into VDC, that is 1.21 into 17.9, that is 21.6 volt, that is the VRMS voltage. Efficiency is equal to 40.5 into RL upon RF plus RL. So we put only a value of load resistance and feedback resistance. 40.5 into 500 divided by 50 plus 500, that is 36.8% efficiency we obtain. PIV is equal to VM is equal to 62.2 volt PIV. Ripple frequency is equal to 50 Hz. Thank you.